by Mr. Rajiv Kumar Gupta, who is the president of PB Fintech, joining us on the show. Mr. Gupta, hi, morning and great to be speaking with you. And firstly, help us understand that what was the business traction during the first half of September, because we have seen all the news flow around that GST rate rationalization and interesting times for the industry indeed.
I think we had a very good year so far, and since we are obviously declaring the results for September, I can't tell you the exact numbers for now, but the sector has been doing well and we have been doing quite well.
Okay, and overall, Mr. Gupta, how has the industry response been to the GST cut on insurance and insurance premiums?
I think GST cut has been a very positive move as far as we are concerned. The most important thing is it has sent a very positive message to the economy, ecosystem. GST nil is not going to result in increase in business overnight, but the fact that the government has made GST nil has sent positive vibes across the country on why insurance is a necessity and not a luxury. So that is certainly a positive message, and I am sure it will help the industry overall.
All right, but Mr. Gupta, to what extent are you observing the demand is being driven because of the pent-up demand versus a genuine rebound resulting from lower prices?
I think once the GST reduction has happened, prices obviously have reduced. Most benefits have been passed to the customer. Now the challenge in insurance continues to remain, the penetration levels. With GST cut, obviously we foresee in the long run the business to increase, by a good number. But since the positive message is already gone, you've seen the demand suddenly moving upwards, even in the month of September once this was implemented. So hoping that the positive message will result in bigger business and this will travel across the country, we see a great future as far as the demand is concerned for insurance over the next few years.
Okay, and Mr. Gupta, help us understand how are the GST cuts affecting the business mix, particularly between group and individual segments, and also what is the impact on commission structures?
So GST, rate cut has not impacted business in any way, both sides. While group business, serves a particular clientele. When you say group business, employers cover employees, for their medical needs, for their, term needs, for the group accident needs. And those premiums are anyway much substantially lower because you give a price as a group, Whereas individual premiums were always leading to premium plus GST when you bought a term insurance or when you bought a health insurance. Now that being made nil has certainly, given the pep up for the retail business as well. So I believe more and more people in the middle class and the lower middle class will certainly look this product as more affordable and start buying this product.
But Mr. Gupta, how quickly can we assess the impact of PB Health on PB Fintech's business and the industry as a whole?
So let me first of all clarify, PB Fintech only owns 25-26% of PB Health, which is a significantly smaller number compared to the other subsidiaries we have. So Policy Bazaar, Bazaar are 100% subsidiaries. Now when it comes to PB Health, the objective behind PB Health is very, very different. It is to provide affordable health care to the entire ecosystem. Today, when it comes to middle class, lower middle class, access to affordable health care is a big challenge. So we believe PB Health, will certainly support that initiative of launching affordable hospitals and ensuring that people are able to get quality treatment at affordable prices.
Mr. Gupta, and lastly, regarding Bima Sugam, how significant a risk does it pose to your overall operations, if you could help us understand that?
Not at all. I think there is no risk at all. Bima Sugam is a positive move. In my view, Bima Sugam will only promote digitization in a bigger way. Bima Sugam will help all other sections of distributors, be it agents, be it corporate agents, to digitize things. So, for example, processing claims, understanding customer queries, supporting customer queries, uh, digitization in terms of offering different products which are available in the market. So in my view, Bima Sugam is only going to be a big support rather than a distraction to us. Policy Bazaar has built a digital platform over the last 16, 17 years, and the objective behind that was to reach out to maximum people, offer them comparison of different products, so that people could choose what best suits them. Bima Sugam, in a way, will only help our cause. It will build the trust which is required to start buying products from digital world. So while we have invested a lot of money over the last 16 years to bring the confidence that digital is also a good medium to buy, Bima Sugam is only going to create the further strength. And given the population size of this country of 150 crore people, I think certainly we also need players who can reach out to the last mile. So together, I think we will only complement each other rather than compete with each other.
All right, interesting times ahead for the industry. But with this, Mr. Gupta, we'll let you go. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us.